Hi there, welcome to this video about our future in space. I'm Dr. Fredrik Wallinder. As you know, there are a few problems that must be solved before we can live there. If you go out in space without a spacesuit, you will understand what I mean. So why leave Earth in the first place? There are many reasons, of course. One is limited natural resources on Earth. Another is a risk for some kind of global disaster, and so on. Let's assume that it's easy to emigrate out in space in the future, using some kind of breakthrough technology. What happens then? Well, there must be some evolutionary pressure on the space population to adapt to their new environment. And progress in science and technology will make it possible for them to control that process in a way we can only speculate about. Our species will in effect have the possibility of artificial evolution, and one can easily imagine different outcomes depending on the environment. Let's assume that future progress in brain research, nanotechnology and robotics allow for any type of post-human development. What happens then? The answer may be different depending on where you live, but apart from that, we all want to live long, healthy lives with secure income and some kind of purpose. If we apply that to the people living in the solar system outside Earth, they would surely benefit from better lungs, a skin less sensitive to radiation, better vision, and so on. And their main purpose for staying out there in space would probably be money. But if we want to leave the solar system, what then? Well, going to another star is a whole different story due to the large distances to other stars. To begin with, we need to do something about aging, since the travel takes thousands or even millions of years. Replacing the chemical energy from food with a small nuclear reactor will certainly prolong their lifespans immensely and basically eliminate the food problem, so they don't have to take any food with them. The skeleton can be made of metal, eliminating all back problems. The eyes can be electronic, thereby getting much more sensitive than our eyes, and so on. But the biggest problem will be to replace our brain, the most complicated structure in the universe. But let's assume a silicon brain working much faster than our present one, with immense capacity and intelligence. There should also be direct contact between the brains, thereby speeding up communication and removing all forms of misunderstanding and criminal behavior. What we now have is basically our post-biological replacement, with superhuman intelligence and almost eternal life, ready to explore the galaxy. Let's call him Homo Stellaris, just for fun. What goals they may have as they spread throughout the galaxy is something we can only dream about. Let's hope that they will remember where they came from and pay us a visit now and then. My guess is that they would use their superintelligence to get rid of their bodies once and for all, and thereafter travel freely throughout the universe as happy, eternal beings. But that's of course pure speculation on my part. Thank you very much for checking out this video. If you want more free videos, please go to our website advancedastronomy.com. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.